Welcome to the future of urban living, where convenience meets community, where modernity blends with nature. Introducing Town Square Dubai, a bustling residential development transforming how you live. Town Square Dubai is the only complete community in Dubai land that is well connected to major road networks, making it easily accessible from different parts of the city. You're never far from where you need to be. With over 3,000 townhouses and 18,000 apartments, ready to host a thriving community of more than 85,000 residents. We take pride in being the distinctive provider, consistently ensuring timely delivery of homes. To this day, we have successfully delivered a total of 4,200 apartment units and 2,700 townhouses, achieving an impressive residency rate of 95%. Step into a melting pot of cultures at your neighborhood, with neighbors from over 150 countries across the globe. Elevate your lifestyle with our modern community amenities, including resort-style pools, well-equipped fitness centers, a 13-kilometer jogging and cycling trail, and an expansive 8,000 square meter sports area featuring facilities for football, basketball, tennis and paddle courts, skate parks, and more. Our amenities cater to diverse lifestyles, ensuring an enriching experience for all. A welcoming haven for both you and your family, where everything you need is conveniently within reach, including amenities suitable for pets. Experience unforgettable memories in specially designated areas for children to enjoy, such as the carousel, splash pad, children's train, wave rider, and kids' water fountain. At the core of this community lies Town Square Park, a vibrant 50,000 square meter epicenter where residents come together to enjoy lush green spaces. Town Square is enveloped by a thriving retail and dining district that is experiencing rapid growth. Discover more than 250 retail outlets encompassing shops, cafes, stores, and restaurants, providing the perfect space to gather with friends or fulfill your daily needs. We're not just a place to live. We're a community on the rise. Town Square.